Hi everyone! In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to use the language tutor in MagicSchool.ai. We'll cover why it's useful, what to use it for, how students can access it, and how you can track their work. The language tutor gives students instant practice and feedback. It supports English learners as well as all students who want extra practice learning a new language. It's great for vocabulary, sentence writing, and grammar. And the best part, you stay in control of what students do. Here's how to set it up. Log in to Magic School AI with your Google account. Go to Magic Student, then Rooms, then Create Room. Choose Language Tutor and set your tool details. Click Save to Room. Invite your students and share the room code or link. Here's what it looks like for students. To track student work, go to your teacher dashboard. Click Rooms. Select the room where students are using Language Tutor. Click a student's name to see engagement or click Insights for an overview. To pause or stop the activity, click Pause or Lock. This way, you can monitor and support students during and after the session. To recap, the language tutor is effective because it provides personalized feedback. Students access it easily with a code or link. It also works for other tools like reading comprehension, math practice, creative writing, or discussion prompts. And you can track everything as a teacher. Give it a try. You might be surprised how quickly students engage with it. Thank you for watching this episode of Teaching Kimmy Speedy PDs. Have a great day.